here, YouTube Studio. After clicking, okay, now click here. Okay, just click here for settings, channel. Okay, settings, advanced settings. After clicking here, manage channel. After clicking manage channel, channel status and features, click here. Okay, after clicking channel status and features, click here basic info, Google account settings, click here. Okay, I want to change this name, as you will see here. Okay, now I want to change this. Click here to add it. Okay, now change it here. Then it affects onto your custom URL. Okay, first I am here typing Muhammad. Last name is what? Programmers. Okay, MuhammadProgrammers. Click to save. As you will see here in this name. Okay, MuhammadProgrammers. Now I am checking my custom URL. Click here settings. Okay, channel. Click here manage YouTube Google account. Okay, how to manage your YouTube account. Okay, currently my user ID and channel ID. Now I am changing this. Click here, YouTube Studio. Click here, customization. Basic info. Okay, as you will see here. Now click here, set a custom URL. As you will see here, now it's changed. Okay, MuhammadProgrammers. Give fans an easy to remember web address for your channel. Okay, click here to publish. Okay, just I am changing this head here. Now it affects here, as you will see here. Okay, it means that this URL is available. This URL is valid. Okay, click here to publish. Everything is correct, spelling, everything. Click here to publish. Once a custom URL is set, it can be changed or transferred to a different channel. Your custom URL is ready to set to. Okay, as you will see here, my custom URL is this: youtube.com/c/MuhammadProgrammers. Click here to confirm. Go to channel. Okay, it will be set, as you will see here. Now you can copy this and paste it here. My custom URL is ready. As you will see here, these are the all of my video lectures. Okay, web designing lectures, MS Office lectures, MS Excel, and so on. And these are my playlist, as you will see here, all playlists: MS Word, Excel, basic to advanced. Okay, these are the web design lectures: JavaScript, Bootstrap, also freelancing, CSS. All of you will find here. Okay, this is my URL. You will find in the description of this video. This is my URL, YouTube URL link. Okay, you can easily open. In this way you can create your own YouTube URL address. Okay, anyone can visit your channel using your custom URL. Okay, it's easy to find your YouTube channel using your custom URL. Procedure is same. Okay, but all criteria, eligibility criteria you must fulfill, like 100 subscribers and channel icon, and this is the channel part. Then you can apply custom URL. Then you can change your custom URL in this way.